Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can start a newsletter on Beehiiv. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you launch your first newsletter and start building an audience. So first, what you will have to do is of course log into your account or create an account if you don't have one yet. So make sure that your account is already set up and that you already have a plan for your account. And after you're signing in, you will then go to newsletter and click plus newsletter, new newsletter, and then you will enter your newsletter name and description and the sender email. Design your first issue by adding text, images, and links. And then you will set a delivery schedule and preview the newsletter. And finally, you will click publish so that you will be able to send your first issue to subscribers. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video and listening, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.